All right, so hopefully this little quick video will help any of you that have EdCite quizzes that you need to complete. If you would like the option of having the reading passages read to you, here's what you do. All right, so you see where my cursor is. Make sure you have placed it in the box where the reading passage is, and then you do a right click or a right tap on your touchpad, and it should give you this option right here. It says speak passage, okay? So that is, again, if you would like EdCite to read the passage to you, and it will read it to you as many times as you need it to. Also, I want to make note of this tool right here, the highlight selection, or also right here. My advice is always to you that before you do these quizzes, you read the questions first so you can have an idea of what information that you need to zone in on. Identify keywords in the questions that you can use to look at or look for within the reading passage, and that way you'll be able to better organize your thoughts. Or if you decide not to use the highlighter, you do have a notepad here that you can use as well to keep track of helpful information. I also wanted to point out, for the constructor response pieces, please make sure that you are following the constructor response format that we practice in class. So the RA, which means restate an answer in one sentence, restate and answer your prompt. So for example, a main idea of the article, The Amazing Nikola Tesla, it'd be a RA for this one. Cite means that you are finding two details from the article to support your response for this particular prompt. Make sure that you read the constructor response prompt carefully and include the number of details that they ask you for. And remember to include your E as well. Okay? And for those of you who need a boost with the constructor response format, don't forget that there is a template available in classwork in the resources section that can give you the sentence starters if you need them. You are allowed to use that. So if you need to see it, here it is. And I apologize, I don't think it's going to work, but if you need a copy of the constructor response format in the sentence starters, go to Google Classroom, go to resources. There is one there. You are allowed to look at it while you're doing your constructor response, okay? Just like you had the constructor response prompts on your desk, you are able to use the resources that are in Google Classroom as well. So please do. So once again, make sure that you follow the instructions in the prompt. Make sure that you follow the correct format. If you need to, have the passage read to you, and use the highlighter and notes function to help you keep track of important information.